This amazing city on Croatian coast dates back more than 1,700 years, when Roman Emperor decided to build himself a huge palace here. This city also has the oldest Catholic cathedral in the world that remains in use in its original structure. And according to the local population, this is the most beautiful city in the world. It is so spectacular that it was used as a filming set in the Game of Thrones. It also has the best Croatian art museum, spectacular waterfront with great restaurants and bars, and the biggest ferry port from where you can reach all Croatian islands. This is the heart of Dalmatia. This is one and only Split. Split offers the best blend of modern and traditional Dalmatian life. This is the second biggest city in Croatia, and big part of it is big modern city offering modern way of life. But the soul and the heart is in the historical part that is situated in 17th century old Roman palace. This palace was built for the most powerful man on the planet, Roman Emperor Diocletian. Over centuries, the palace turned into the city. Today, this is a living and breathing monument full of beautiful restaurants, bars, souvenir shops, apartments, and hotels. Every step that you take on a beautiful stone-paved streets intersects 17 centuries of histories right in front of your eyes. Split has always been tightly connected to the Adriatic Sea. When it was founded more than 1,700 years ago as Diocletian Palace, it was already designed in a way that the Roman emperor could enter his palace on a ship. Today, Split is one of the biggest ferry ports in Croatia, from where you can reach beautiful Adriatic islands, and you can also get to Italy. But the best example of tight connections between the city and the sea is its famous waterfront or Riva. On one side, you have beautiful Adriatic Sea, and on the other side, you have 1,700-year-old walls of Diocletian's palace. And in between, you have the biggest and the most popular public space in the city. This is the heart of social life. Here, you can sit down in numerous bars, restaurants, cafes, or simply on the benches in the park and watch the boats and ships going in and out of Split. Split offers some of the best preserved and unique heritage. It is much more than just a ferry port to beautiful Croatian islands. It is one of the pearls of Adriatic. It has beautiful buildings, charming windy streets, great food and charm like no other. If you like this video, give us thumbs up. If you have any questions, ideas, comments, or even your own experience about Split, please leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. This way you will help us create more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.